Okay, look. Demo, are you going to read the word or not? Look, it's a very nice word. Come.
No.
Look, Thai is reading it.
Nap.
No, apple, nap. Look. Nap means a short sleep, a short rest, usually taken in the afternoon. Okay, look, here's a bed. Okay. And Bemo is sleeping on the bed. See?
Bemo is napping.
Yeah,
with his eyes open.
Bemo, come, let's close Bemo's eyes. Bemo, close your eyes. Look, Bemo is sleeping. Like this.
Bemo drunk in the doo-doo.
Okay, first read the word then, come. Read the word. You read the word, then I'll draw. Come.
What if Bemo drunk in the doo-doo?
Yes, I'll draw Dudu. First you read the word. Come, read the word.
What if Bemo drunk in the doo-doo?
Na, apple, nap. Okay, look, Bemo is drinking Dudu. Look, here's a bottle of Dudu. Wow, Bemo is drinking Dudu. Wow. Na, apple, nap. Bemo is taking a nap. Right? Don't shake the frame too much, otherwise it's difficult to read. Okay, now let's do the next one.
Can I have the tissue? Can I have the tissue?
Okay, then you read properly. Okay. Take a look. Look at this. Read this word. Hmm. Very good. A cap. A cap is like a small hat. It's a no. It's a cap. A cap. Look, here is Bemo. Here's Bemo. Okay. And here's a cap. Look, Bemo's wearing a nice cap.
Bemo's so smiley with his long hair.
Here is Bemo.
With
Look,
hair as
Bemo
long as
actually
mine.
doesn't look exactly like this. Bemo's nose is a bit small.
His nose is tiny and his hair is
There's
short.
a mouth like this. Okay. Like this. Hello, Bemo. But look, Bemo has a naughty smile. Look, here's Bemo. Look, not read properly. Apple
Be
cap.
creepy smile.
Okay, very good.
Papa,
Nap
that's like
and cap.
my hair length. See?
Yes. Okay, come. No, apple nap. Apple cap. Thai, can you think of other words? Don't say them. Just mouth them to me. No, that rhyming with app. Okay, come. Look. Okay, Bemo, look. Read this word. What is this word? Read it. Come. Read it. Read it. What is this? What is this? Read the word. Bemo, read this word. Map. A map is like a simple picture of a large area, so that you can see easily where all the things in a place are. See, here's a map. Here's some mountains. Here's a lake. Okay, and what else? Here's the sea. Wow, there's the sea here. Wow, and here's a forest. Look, here are many trees.
Baba, X marks the spot where the treasure is.
The treasure, there's no need for some kind of buried treasure.
Wow!
Treasure is your mind, your skills. Here's some trees.
There.
1, 2, 3. 3
Yeah,
trees.
the treasure doesn't have to be buried. You can just give me some money. That'll be a nice
No, you
treasure.
have to earn the money. The real treasure that I'm giving you
I'm filming
is
this
knowledge.
video.
Yeah.
Are you gonna
Apple
pay me
map.
for doing that? No.
You're getting plenty of. Okay, come. I'll give you something nice. Okay, come. But don't think of everything in terms of how you can extract money out of people.
I'm teaching Duth how to code.
Okay, now come.
Are you gonna
Okay, now
pay me?
Thai, focus on the reading. Come. Apple map. Okay. Now let's do some other words. Okay. Okay, Bemo, look. Okay, read this word. No. Don't just look at the first letter. The other letters are different. It's not her at a hat. It's her up. What is it? Her up. Hop.
Bemo hopping the bus.
Okay, look. Here's Bemo.
Bemo
Okay.
hopping the foot.
Here is
Bemo's
Bemo.
hopping over the bus. Bemo can hop over
And
the
Bemo
bus.
is hopping. Look.
Like a rabbit.
Yes, Bemo is hopping. Hop means to jump with both legs, pushing on the ground simultaneously. Okay. Look, Bemo is hopping up and down. Look, frogs hop. See, kangaroos hop. Look, let's draw a kangaroo hopping. How's the kangaroo? How do kangaroos look? Look, here it is. Okay. Then the kangaroo's hands. And the kangaroos have long tails like this.
It looks
And,
like.
and big legs. Look, the kangaroo is hopping. Wow.
Ugh. That's terrifying.
The kangaroo is happy. Wow.
I
Look,
don't
Bemu
have
and kangaroo are
nightmares
both
tonight.
hopping. Hop, hop. Bemu, show how to hop on the bed. Show Tai. Show, hop. Hop there. Oh, show how to hop. No, not on one leg. Hop on both legs. Hop on both legs. Just jump. That's not a hop. Hop. Okay, come. Erase this. Very good. Okay, come. Not a one-legged hop. You can hop on two legs also. Okay. Hop. Okay, come. Erase this. Quickly. Okay, so we'll do some upwards. Let's see. Think of some upwards thigh. I have some in mind now, but later if you have some others which I have not covered, you can tell me. Okay. Hey, Tutu, erase quickly. Come. Okay, wait. You've done that. Okay. Okay, read this one, Bemu. Bemu, read this.
Ma.
Yeah. Thigh.
Ma.
A mop. A mop.
Ma.
Look, here's a mop.
He's a ma.
The mop has many fibers or ropes or strings which you can dip in a bucket of water. Look, here's a bucket. And then the wet mop can be used to brush the or to wipe the floor or to
What they go?
mop the floor.
What they go, Baba?
A mop.
What they go?
Okay. Okay, erase this. Come.
They go.
Okay, come. Later. First read these ones. Come. A mop. Very quickly, come. Very good. Now I'll draw another one. Okay, this one Bemu should know very well because we read it quite often. Okay, read it, Bemu. Come. Read it. Sir.
Sir. The.
Set up.
Stop.
Stop. Sir and term make stir. Stir up a stop. Okay, stop. Look. Look, if you see a road, then stop. Okay, don't walk on the road. Stop. Don't go on the road. Okay. Look. Here is Bemu. Stop. Bemu. Stop before you step on the road. Don't go on the road. See, on the road there are many big vehicles like cars and trucks. If you ride on the road, see they're going very fast. Whoosh. Hi. Why did you throw it on the floor, on the board just now?
Because.
Look, here's the Kaka driving his car very fast on the
That's
road.
also Bemu because everybody here is
No,
Bemu.
look at him.
Baba is Bemu.
Thigh, don't interrupt the flow. Stir up a stop. Okay, stop before you step on the road. Okay. Okay, come. Now can you think of any other upward thigh? Just don't speak them aloud. Okay. We did that last time. That's already present. Yes, it's okay.
It works.
Let's not repeat ourselves. Okay. Look, let's do some other words. Look. What is this? Read the word, Bemu. Hot. Look, here's I is cooking some soup on the gas, and there's a lot of fire. Look, here's some fire. See, and there's some steam coming out of the soup. It's very hot. Should you touch it?
Get away from me.
Should you touch the hot soup? Should you touch the fire? No, it's hot. Okay, you'll get a bow if you touch it. Hot. Okay, erase it. Come, erase it. Come.
I think that's
Okay, come.
enough. I think
कितने मिनट झाले बेटा?
10. That's enough.
No, we can keep them for a while.
Pa.
It's the last one. Things to
Pot.
Otter. Pa.
Pot. A pot is a vessel in which you can contain some liquid. Wow, here's a pot. See,
Pa.
the pot has some water inside it. See, there's some water inside the pot.
You can't see the water from the outside of the
Yes. Pot. A pot is usually some kind of round, or here's a pot of soup. See, here's another kind of pot. Actually, this is a bowl. This is not a pot. I think typically a pot has a narrow mouth. It's not wide. Pot. Look, here's a pot. It's usually some kind of spherical or spheroid type of vessel with a narrow mouth, or not a fully open mouth. Okay. Otter pot. Okay, Bemu, clean it up. Come.
The pa.
Yes. Erase it. Come. Okay, look, here's another one. Okay, read this. Read this.
Oh, this is the last one I'm filming.
No, Tai. Give it some more time. Come. Okay, read this. Bemo, don't waste time. Come. Bemo. Don't erase it. Come. Okay, come. Read the word. What is it?
Cow.
No. What's the last letter? Come. Yes, what is it? Otter.
Cat.
Cot. A cot is like a small bed for babies. Look. When Bemu was a baby, he used
He
to
is a
sleep in a
baby.
he used to sleep in a cot like this. Look. Here is Bemu's cot. Here is Bemu baby. Bemu baby is sleeping in his
Baba,
cot.
he's still a baby.
He's a pillow. Now he's a big boy. Look. Look,
He's
Bemu
like,
baby is sleeping.
Baba, I never
Okay,
go
come.
with any of that.
Okay, come wait. Otter cot.
Finish.
Okay, stop now.